I give you this one. And for the boys, for the girls. So happy Valentine's. Flower. Okay, everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Yes. Happy Valentine's. It's because now it's time to good for heart. Okay, for you. Okay, happy Valentine's Day. And for the last one. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Valentine's. Yes. Yes. And for the boys. For the boys, okay. Everybody clap your hands for the boys. Okay, one of the famous here in El Nido. Okay, Santa Monte. And we calling in Filipino Tipaklong. Tipaklong. I give it to you for souvenir, this one. Okay. And last one. Okay, Valentine's. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. And God bless. Vamos, Kapitan. Alright.